So this video will show you how to know if someone is another call in Messenger. So how can you know that a person is in another call in Messenger? Simple. So if you want to call this person and the description says that he is in another call, then that's basically it. For example, is this one. This will show up. That person is in another call, or it also may show up that the person cannot be contacted because he or she is in another call. So that's basically it. It will display another call message for you to know that this person cannot call in the meantime because he or she is another call.